Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Zempire to Bybit wallet. So first thing we're going to need to do is open the Zempire application. Once you're in the application, just log in using your credentials. And once you're in the home page, just tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. And then you'll see this airdrop. So just tap on that. It will then take you to this page. So you can see here to connect wallet. So click on that to connect our wallet to the Bybit. After doing that, this thing will pop up. So as you can see, there are tons of wallets. So what you're gonna do is just tap on view all wallets. And then you can see the Bybit wallet. So since we want to connect our Bybit, just click on that one. And it will just ask you to connect. As you can see at the bottom left, there's connect button, so just click on that one to finally connect our Zempire to Bybit. And there you go, there is the notification pop-up that it is successfully. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!